I'm back, of course, with another video. And today I have a couple things planned to clean my car out, clean the house, and do this, unbox these packages. This one package right here is actually my dad's phone case that I ordered him. And then I ordered a calendar because I want to start getting like organized and stay on track, have a routine, and just make life a lot more smoother than what it really should be. Ignore me, I'm in my bonnet, but we're gonna get into this unboxing portion. So this is probably my dad's phone case because my dad got a touch screen. I got him a touchscreen case, or touchscreen phone. Can't talk. Because his flip phone, his charger piece got stuck in his phone. So I was like, get another phone. And you need to update to a touchscreen, which this is like his third touchscreen. And every time he gets a touchscreen, he gets rid of them. Like, I just don't understand why. Here's this with the screen protector. Yes, I didn't know it came with a screen protector. But here's his case, screen protector, and then there's like a little thing that he also wanted me to order. I think it might be in here. Yeah, this piece. This is for his phone to clip on his belt. So I'll probably call him in a little bit and let him know that his case is here. Yeah, that should fit. Got him this with a screen protector, and it's a temporary glass screen protector. So yeah, that's my little unboxing. Here's my calendar that I ordered. Y'all know I'm extra and have to pop the bubble. But here's the calendar. I'm probably gonna, cause I am planning on remodeling my room. Not like remodeling, but reorganizing and do a room makeover. So here's the calendar. 2023, January. Not in January no more. We are in July. So I'm gonna flip it all the way to July. And I really actually like this because it says 7th month, 2023, July, and then today's date is the 27th. No, 28th. Today's Friday, the 28th. And so, yeah, I'm probably gonna try to find somewhere to hang this. It's supposed to have, yeah, little hanger part. I'm probably gonna get some command strips and hang it on my door, my room door. I don't know yet, but yeah, that's what we got planned. And I'm probably gonna do an online shopping for my room soon as well. But I'm actually waiting for my little brother to get done eating because he's supposed to help me clean my car out. This was his idea to do this video, to clean my car out. So I'm just adding in some other productive stuff before the video actually, before we actually get into the video. But yeah, I'm gonna see you guys when I am probably cleaning my car out. So make sure you stay tuned. Hey YouTube, I'm back. Look who I got with me.
Hello YouTube.
Okay, we gonna clean my car out. I need you to get out and come over here. Or you can stay right there, because it's hot. I'm about to have you take some trash to the dumpster. Trash. Shut the door. Oh, little wasp or bug in here. Boy. Okay, I'm gonna start filming again when he comes back. Look at him. He's taking the trash. Nope. Good job. I thought he was gonna put it by the tree. I guess not. I'm trying to get him to wait, but look at him. This is Vicky's. This is mine. I'll probably look at the radio.
Where we go to Beach Bend Sunday?
Huh?
We go to Beach Bend with the church on Sunday.
Who?
With the church.
What time?
We're leaving around 10:30.
Vicky going? Probably not.
No.
Probably not. These coupons probably can't go. Y'all want them?
What?
Y'all eat out or what? Y'all eat out more than us. These coupons?
Yeah.
Long John, Arby's, and Subway. Y'all can have them. This goes in a pile in the living room. Okay, we're gonna take this stuff in the house, and then we're going to take my clothes and stuff in the house, and then we're gonna go vacuum my car out.
What's after that?
Think there's anything after that. Okay, YouTube, we are heading out the door. We just cleaned the dishes. Well, he washed the dishes. And now, go. Now we are on the way out the door to go vacuum my car out at my uncle's house. So, we'll see you there. Okay, so this is gonna be a before video of my car. How messy it is. Still got fireworks in the trunk. The system was hot. And then how messy the back is. It's messy. It's messy. It's messy. And then we're gonna do an after video. Everything is done. I just gotta get rid of this junk. But it's vacuumed. It's very much vacuumed. And then I gotta get rid of these fireworks. But yeah. No.
Hi YouTube, we back.
And the car is clean. That was our cleaning video. But as of right now, I'm about to take him home. I'm about to go freshen up. I got some things to do. And that's gonna be it for today.
See ya.
Y'all will see him probably in another video. What kind of video you wanna do next?
School supplies.
School shopping?
Yeah.
We can do a school shopping video. That's gonna be probably take you school shopping August 9th and 10th. So do another video before then.
Yeah.
So we can do like a cooking video or that spend the night, movie night thing if you want to.
Cooking video.
Okay, don't matter to me. But yeah, I'm about to take him home, then come home and freshen up and get some things done. So I'm gonna see you when I see you.
See you in the next video.
Okay, YouTube, I'm back at the house. It is 104 degrees outside. It's so hot. Like my shirt is soaking up. But I'm about to get ready to go to the doctor. I'm about to put my wig on. It's too hot. It's really too hot to be putting a wig on. But I can't be going up in the doctor with my bonnet on. So I'm gonna put my wig on. Probably should take these braids down soon. Have my Aunt Rita have a wash day for my hair because my hair needs to be washed. Last time I washed it was the 14th, which was a few weeks ago. And so now I gotta go get my wig. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. We about to put the wig on. Let's put this wig on. For one, it's too hot for this dang wig. But hey, it's all good. It's all good. Stomach hurts. Now I'm about to put this headband on. I need to lay my edges, but my edge stuff is in my car. Ooh, it's hot, yes. Now, time for this to go in a clip. I just broke it. It'll be okay as long as it still clips up. Yeah. But yeah, we're gonna go to the doctor. I'm gonna go change and stuff. But other than that, make sure you stay tuned. I'm heading out for my doctor's appointment. Ooh, it's hot outside. I just had to put on jeans. It's 104 degrees out here. But yeah, I'm gonna see y'all when I get to the doctor's office. Yeah, it's hot. It's hot. It was 104 degrees out here when we was outside earlier cleaning my car out. It's now 99 degrees. It still feels like it's 105, 106 degrees outside. But anyways, turn this air on. Head to the doctor's office and I'll see you when I get there. Bye. They just took blood. Okay, I'm back here in the room. Hopefully there's nothing bad going on. But yeah, we gonna wait for the nurse, doctor, whatever. Yeah, get into it. Everything's all good. I'm back at home. That's gonna be it for today's video though. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notification bell.